Hey, it's Alex Burda. I'm here in the High Forest Preserve in Bartlett, Illinois, and right now I'm kneeling in a patch full of poison ivy because I'm going to show you how Aitex works. A lot of people have trouble identifying poison ivy. We have tips and tricks on our website, as well as a diagram on the back of the bottle to help you out. But right now, I'm going to show you what it actually looks like. So right here, we have a poison ivy leaf. You've all heard the saying, leaves if three, you let it be. A big giveaway for me is these outside notches and the two outer leaves. So here's how Aitex works. Say you were walking through the woods and you were to encounter poison ivy and get some of it on your arm. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take Aitex, apply it to all the affected areas. So my arm, in between my fingers, because the stem also contains the harmful oil. You're going to want to wash it away just like this. It's really important you're thorough and you get all the exposed areas with Aitex. And then as soon as you're done, you just wipe it off with a towel, and your poison ivy worries are gone.